At the edge of a quiet town stood an old haunted house. Its windows were broken, its walls were cracked, and no one had lived there for many years. People said strange sounds came from it at night, footsteps, whispers, and doors slamming by themselves. Everyone believed ghosts lived inside. One evening, a brave teenager named Daniel decided to discover the truth. He did not believe in ghosts, but he believed every mystery had a reason. With a flashlight in his hand and fear in his heart, he entered the house. The door creaked loudly as he stepped inside. The air was cold and dust covered the floor. Old furniture lay broken and spider webs hung from the ceiling. Suddenly, Daniel heard a soft crying sound coming from upstairs. His heart raced, but he followed the sound. In a small locked room, he found a wooden box under the floor. Inside the box were old letters, photographs, and a diary. The diary belonged to a woman named Eleanor, who once lived in the house. She was accused of hiding stolen money, even though she was innocent. The town turned against her, and she died alone, heartbroken. The ghost sounds were not spirits. They were caused by hidden tunnels under the house that let wind move through the walls, making strange noises. The crying sound came from loose pipes that echoed at night. Daniel shared the truth with the town. Eleanor's name was cleared at last. After that, the house felt peaceful. No more whispers, no more fear.
And so, the misunderstanding was cleared, and peace returned to our village.
Sometimes haunted places are not filled with ghosts, but with forgotten stories waiting to be heard. What would you do if you were in my place? Write your answer in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.